Hi guys, welcome back to Yorkshire Car Restorations. This video, because we've got the floor in now and we want to tackle that back section, we're actually going to put this sill section in, this arch, and tackle that back section all at the same time. The problem is to put this sill section in, we've got a wing in the way, and I'll show you why. It is joined by spot welds to this inner wing. This whole side section come off all at once, so we have to take that off to get that sill which tucks underneath that quarter there. Oh, that feels like it's going to snap. Get that. Well, there you go. Now we've got this wing off, we can offer this sill section up and see where we're going to cut this. You see that gap between here, where the sill is, and there. So all we're basically going to do is we're going to have just a piece like that, going right from the front all the way to the back. I did it again. Look at this. What's this? It's supposed to be flat there, not bent over, and tucks under here. So what we've got to do is we've got to straighten this out. Before this goes on, there's a few things we need to do. There's a few minor welds we need to do. One inside this section at the front, underneath this sill panel. One inside the floor section. And we've got to finish the floor off as well. There's that gap at the back of the floor. So we need to do them. These box sections, we'll trim this off so it's further back, because we'll do that after we'll put this rear quarter on. So what we're going to do is we're going to rebuild this box section, and we're going to put this part back in here as well because it's got holes in it, and this supports the outer, this and this support the outer arch section, the outer rear quarter panel, and the sill, which goes, they kind of overlap. Years worth of muck. This car has been on a farm, so that's up to the top box section. That'll stretch back. We need to bend here. I'm going to take a quick measurement to check, and we need to bend here as well. We need to bend there as well, but we're going to have to make that up as we go along. As you can see, a big nasty piece of angle iron. It shouldn't be there. Okay, so floor pan's in, sill's done, this section's done. We were having a look at this earlier, and I think we're going to have a new one. There's too much to do here, on the floor here. There's this section here, all the way across here, right down here, and this back corner. So I think it's fair to say that's probably had its day. So for now, we're going to ignore this. We're going to continue with our outer arch and round while we either make a new one of these or to have one delivered, basically. Now these are made for the LJ80. Kind of see where she's going to go. There's a big hole here. This is going to be fun. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, leave us a like and click that subscribe button. Do join us on our next video where we'll be finishing this rear quarter, this inner wheel arch and those box sections. Make sure you join us on Instagram, Yorkshire Car Restorations. But for now, catch you later.